Well, hey, welcome everybody.
This is a video number I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. We got into double digits and then
Yeah.
everything kind of fell apart. But not the building process.
No,
Evan.
the building didn't fall apart.
So behind us, you'll actually see a series of walls, and these are actually daycare classrooms. You can't see it's off camera, but we finished the 2 church classrooms. You are currently like inside of a kitchen.
Yeah.
Not framed out yet, but will be soon.
Yeah.
The heating and cooling guys are going crazy. There is a window back there to the outside world.
Can they see that?
Move
Doubt
over
it.
for a second.
Okay. How's that, eh? Can
Yeah.
you see?
See
I don't
that
know.
little
I don't know
speck
which-
of light?
Anyway, we're pretty excited about it. Things are
Oh.
moving along once again. So that's awesome.
It is. It is.
Like Chris said, the heating guys have been here. We're hoping to see the concrete guys next week. This dirt pile is still here. Kind of a bummer.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to getting our second of 3 electrical inspections. That should happen tomorrow if we're watching on Sunday. So that's exciting. And then we can start some sheetrock. We weren't able to do that today, but hopefully we can do that next week, do a little bit of sheetrock. But more importantly, we want to get these walls done.
Yep.
Plumber's coming.
We actually got the first couple of walls done in the sanctuary. So
Yeah, that was also exciting. You
that's
can kind of
so much
feel
fun.
that take shape. And again, we'd love for you guys to stop by and actually see it because it looks so much cooler in person.
You had a